the GSFFFF. February 1995, Cotton Eye Joe in the charts. England, Ireland, friendly suspended due to rioting. Oh, and the boffins at Suzuki launched the 600 Bandit. Clever bastards. Right, I'm going to convince you why this equals this. Fun in the sun. Why is this the true descendant, the natural evolution, the epitome of the Honda Hornet? Because a lot is made by some people that it's not the real deal. The real Hornet was a screaming four-cylinder, and this is obviously a parallel twin. It looks like a transformer insect, nothing like the original. Well, I'm going to try and prove you wrong on that point. So let's have a look. The GSF600 Bandit was launched in '95, and it was brilliant, amazing. I mean, Suzuki took a 600cc sport engine, slapped it in a naked street style chassis, and sold it at a reasonably budget price. And people lapped it up. Everybody wanted one, and everybody had one. Even I had one. The Archbishop had one. Cliff Richard had one. Even the Queen had one. Well, there may be some inaccuracies there, I don't know, but I certainly had one, and I think a lot of people had a Bandit at some point in their motorcycling careers, and rightly so. Cracking bike, and it proved extremely successful for Suzuki. So, as I say, we had a inline 4 600cc sport engine in a naked chassis, budget price, good performance, plenty of smiles per mile. I don't know if you'd call it a new market, but it maybe was a new genre. Oh, this is fun. I can't go back up here, can I? Jesus. Ow. Cramp. Don't even think about it. So I've forgotten what I was saying now. So I don't know, you know, there may have been other middleweight naked bikes, obviously. That side of it wasn't new, but I think this particular cocktail of ingredients was something reasonably new, and it became genre defining. So much so that by 1998 Honda had thought, we need this, we need some of the action. And so they released the now infamous 600 Hornet. And what was it? It was designed to compete for the market share that the Bandit had. And so in many essences it was, you know, it was a copy of the Bandit, wasn't it? It was an inline 4-cylinder 600cc sport engine out of the CBR in a naked chassis, and at a suitable price point. And it, you know, it performed fabulously. People loved them. And so we'll zip forward a few years to, I don't know, 2014, I think. And Yamaha launched the MT-07. Parallel twin, middleweight sports naked bike. And it became immensely popular. It became sort of genre defining. And Kawasaki brought out their answers to it to a degree. And the parallel twin market proved to be quite popular. So much so that Honda thought, we need a piece of this market. What did we do last time? Oh yeah, we did a copycat, but maybe slightly better. And what am I riding? A parallel twin, plasticky, insecty 750cc competitor, actually built to a price point which undermines all of the competition from the big four and outperforms them. That's the essence of a Hornet. That's what a Hornet was. It doesn't matter how many cylinders it has. Had the Bandit been a parallel twin and had performed so well in the market, then the original Hornet would have been a parallel twin. Now, as for the looks, in my opinion, if you fast forward the clock and look through the evolution of the design of the Hornet, it's not unreasonable to argue that this is the natural evolution of that style. And I think Honda were reasonably safe in this regard, because if you were a Hornet purist in the sense that you felt it simply had to have an inline 4 600cc engine and look reasonably retro but with a modern take on it, there's already a bike from Honda for that. You know, I think it's safe to say that the Hornet was well regarded for the performance aspect of its power plant and its fun factor, and that's exactly what you've got here. So that's my take on it, and that's why I believe that this is a true Hornet. Others will beg to differ, and they'll be wrong, of course. in my opinion. But that's all this is my opinion. Oh, that was a bit of fun. Who calls a bike a GSSF? Bastards. The Boffin Suzuki launched the GSS SS. F off, you bastards. I don't think I'm going to get 78 miles to the gallon doing that, Derek.